Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mega High-Tech Systems and you're on to Learn with Isent Benson. If you've not subscribed to the channel, please do press the subscribe button so that anytime I upload a new video, you get to see it. And also please do share and like this video so that others can see it. Alright, what do we have today? On today's video, I'm going to be sharing 5 niches you can harness to start making money online in 2024. If you've not started making money online, this is an opportunity for you. A lot of people are making money online with different niches. Now you can choose from any of these niches that you're going to see on this video and start making money for yourself online. All right, now let's go to these niches that I have for you. Number one is food recipe website. Now you can create a website on food recipes, train and show videos on how you can prepare various kind of food recipes. It can be international or local food recipes. Now you can also do trainings on YouTube, on your page, on your website page, and people get to learn how to prepare a particular dish. There are a lot of people who wants to test their hands on new kind of recipes, and they search every day on the website to check for recipes or new recipes that they can actually learn. So you can start making money online by showing people how to make different types of local and international recipes. And so that is it for the food recipe niche. And number 2 on my list is health and wellness recipe. There are a lot of persons who go online every day in search of tips on health and wellness. You know that health and wellness is a large niche that people tend to look for every day. So if you are vast in this area, you are an health worker or you're a nurse, you're a doctor, and you want to dive into making money online, you can choose this niche for yourself and start giving tips on health and awareness. So that is it for health and wellness website. Another niche that you can actually use to make money online is on number 3, which is relationship niche. Now you can create a website or a blog on relationship, and you get to talk on relationship. And if maybe you are good in counseling in relationship, there are a lot of people who go online every day searching for for uh, uh, relationship tips and how they can manage their relationship. So if you are good in this area, you can actually step into this niche and start giving tips on various uh, 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 tips on relationship. Now you know that relationship is a very wide niche that you can actually harness to start making money online. Number 4 is news blog. Now you can actually own a news blog and where you give information. A lot of persons go online searching for news and gist. Now you can have a website where you can post news, gist, gossips, and you see traffic coming to your website, and with that you start making money online. If you have any question on how to go about this particular niches that I've shown you, probably you don't know how to create a website and you want help, you can message me and I'll put you through on how you can go about this. Now, and at number 5, we have exercise and fitness. Now exercise and fitness is a good niche that you can actually use to start making money online. Maybe you are an exercise or fitness coach, or you have idea on this niche. You can harness this niche, start talking about exercises, giving various exercise tips and fitness, and you can start making money online. So with these 5 niche, you can choose from these and you get to start making money for yourself online in 2024. If this video has been of help to you, please like and share, and also subscribe to my channel.